anymore. But look at this embroidery. That is gorgeous. And that I'm going to keep. Hey, you know this sweater I just finished showing you with all the embroidery? This one here? I just wanted to say that when you're cutting that out, just do not cut the waistband because you're going to use it probably for something else. Also the sleeves, do not cut them. Just go around the embroidery and cut it as such. Hi lovies. Remember how I just cut out all this embroidery, whoops, from that sweater? How pretty it is. Okay, so now I'm going to use it. I said I was going to use it on something that I'm not really wearing much these days, and that would be this beautiful denim jacket by Ralph Lauren. It's actually so pretty. I've worn it a lot though, and it needs a bit of zhuzhing up. Okay, so I'm going to be using, there's even little bits like this from the embroidery, so let's see what I do with that. I want to incorporate it on this jacket. So that's what I'm going to be doing as a DIY. What I like to do is I start by basting everything. See, like it's not stuck on. I have it on my jacket right now. It's not stuck on at all. I mean sewn on at all. So I start by just basting. I take very large stitches and just to make sure that it stays in place so that I can then stitch it all up. Okay, so here it is. I was able to just, you see I kept some of the wool part of the sweater and just was able to just stitch it all along, even right here, a little touch, and also in the back, such. Just continues that way. So I think this is a really cute experiment. It's a fun one, and it's very easy. So if you've got some really cute jacket and you want to just embellish it, doing it this way would be a really great idea. Hope you liked it.